Hello, my name's John Hamilton from Promech Heavy Equipment. We're here today to discuss the MI30 forklift and the MXT840 telehandler and the applications that they're used within the UBC scrap recycling operations. The MXT840 has proved to be very durable working in this duty cycle operation. Fuel consumption's been good, availability's been good, cost of ownership has been kept low. And at over 4,000 hours per year on a machine, these machines are really working hard. One of the other key performance factors with the MXT840 is its ability to maneuver within the factory environment here and operate in tight, confined spaces. The MXT's ability to load the high hoppers has proved very useful to the client. The MXT840 telehandlers are proving superb with all the waste and recycling companies that Promech work with. We see a massive future for this model in this industry. Cheap to buy, easy to look after, easy to operate. It's ticking all the boxes. Promech Heavy Equipment has made the choice to choose the Manitou MI30D as the main machine that we will hire and sell to clients for recycling operations. Promech has decided to stick with the MI30 because of its versatility, its adaptability, its durability, and the fact that we've fitted it with different attachments in this application. Standard forks, rotators, bale clamps. The machine is just superb for the recycling environment.